Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be showing you some of these grafts we've been doing recently. Thank you to Woody and his friend for sending these over. Very nice of you to do that. We haven't used grafting wax here. This is just normal candle wax. So to keep it, in its liquid form whilst we're applying it, what I did is fill a little bean or tin can, an old one, up with some candles, put another one in it, then put a rock underneath it, and it heated up the whole can and kept it molten whilst we applied it, and it seems to have worked very good so far. These still are looking very nice. The buds are swelling up, so it shows that it's doing very well for our first graft. One of them shriveled up a little bit, as we didn't get around to doing that one until a bit later on. But I've noticed in the last couple of days that it's, not as shriveled up no more. It's more stretched out and nice and smooth like these ones. So I'll show you some of these that we've done and, show you the varieties and talk through the types of grafts we've also used. So I've used two different types of grafting methods here. One being the splice graft, which is basically one flat surface on another flat surface like that. It's basically the whip and tongue graft without the tongue, if you know what I mean. I'll try and put pictures up on screen to explain a bit more. That was just easy and quick to do at the time. Probably isn't the best method to do, but it's just nice and simple. We've also used the wedge graft, which is probably the better one, which is basically like an arrow going into like an open V, so it goes in like that. That seems to be a better method, as there's more contacts and everything. So yeah, I've just used cut up freezer bags and some wax, as I explained earlier, to just hold it together and seal it. I've got just one of these with the splice graft, which is one of those ones over there. That one needs some wax on it, but we haven't got around to that yet. And all the rest are with the wedge graft. And if you're wondering what this tree is normally, it is a Braeburn on an M9 rootstock, I believe. We got it from Aldi, so I don't know the exact rootstock, but I believe it's an M9. With the size and how it's grown in the last couple of years, because before Aldi never used to tell you what rootstocks your tree was, so yeah, now they do, so that's all helpful. But yeah, this is a Braeburn on an M9, I believe. Has a nice open structure, and with the wind, it's very nice to have a small tree, as you know, it probably won't fall down. These varieties will probably only stay on here temporarily, whilst they grow some other branches, and then we'll graft onto some rootstocks in the near future. This tree's just sort of holding them whilst we have them, sort of thing. It is extremely windy, as you can tell, and also very cold. So sorry if the camera is shaking a little bit. So I'm going to put the varieties up on screen for you to see, so you can see what we've got. I believe we've got either 3 or 4 varieties here. So that's a nice addition to have in the orchard. We chose this nice small tree, as it's probably, the best one with the loads of the nice little pencil size branches as well. So, that's why I chose this one. It's also very low down, so it's easier to graft to, unlike some of our larger trees. So apart from that, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I just really wanted to show you what I'm on with. So yeah, we've got some nice grafts here, and hopefully they will succeed and grow some nice apples. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And also remember to click one of these on-screen links to watch another one of my videos. It would be very much appreciated. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.